Pronunciation test A4. 1,
Have you got a pen I could borrow?
2,
We should clean the cut first.
3,
You won't be able to feel this.
4,
I think that's the west.
5,
The coat's too small.
6,
I don't think it's fair, you know.
7,
What time did the women arrive?
8,
The office is here.
9,
I used to have a vet.
10,
I got a good price for it.
11,
They didn't suit him.
12,
I think that's the code.
13,
That's a pine tree.
14,
His back was broken.
15,
You can smell it in the hair.
16,
You'll have to wash the baby.
17,
They're singing.
18.
I'll collect it tomorrow.
Pronunciation test A5. 1,
The glass is green.
2,
The truth is out.
3,
I can't smell anything.
4,
They need more time.
5,
I think they wanted to talk.
6,
There are 13 people in my class.
7,
Alice is here.
8,
The books were cheap.
9,
I think there are some pears and grapes.
10,
What does she say?
11,
That's a mile.
12,
We need more support.
13,
It's all in the pasta now.
14,
Our guests came late.
Pronunciation test C1. Example:
Was that the question he asked?
1,
We walked carefully downstairs. It was dark.
2,
I saw her. Clearly she was hungry.
3,
The word he said was right.
4,
It was cold last night. The roads were icy.
5,
Who said Martin?
6,
What she said was good.
7,
Let's go home later. We can have a pizza.
Pronunciation test C2. Example:
No, it doesn't. It leaves at 12:15.
1,
North Africa.
2,
Yes, 2 brothers.
3,
I'd like black coffee, please.
4,
No, it isn't. It's in the south of Spain.
5,
It's closed tomorrow.
6,
Menswear is upstairs.
7,
How awful for you.
8.
Well done.
Pronunciation test C3. Example:
All right?
1,
Now?
2,
Tonight?
3,
5 o'clock?
4,
Here?
5,
Coffee?
6,
Milk and sugar?
7.
You're tired.
Pronunciation test. D1. Example.
I was born in Scotland, you know.
1,
I don't think these are the men, you know.
2,
I've taught you everything you know.
3,
Do you know the place I mean? It's just over there.
4,
She's not the one. I mean, she's too tall.
5,
They're like wild animals.
6,
This is like Arctic weather.
Pronunciation test. D2. Example.
Nice day, isn't it?
1,
She plays a lot of instruments. Piano, guitar.
2,
Well, that is truly amazing.
3,
You're coming here tomorrow?
4,
Oh, thank you very much.
5,
Next to the supermarket.
6,
I got up, had a shower and got dressed.
7,
Oh, really? How interesting.
8,
You're from Brazil, aren't you?
9,
I think that's my bag.
10,
Yes, it's quite good.
Pronunciation test. D3. Example.
He asked her to dance.
1,
We started in March.
2,
It's a fast car.
3,
My heart's strong.
4,
Where's the bar?
5,
It stops and starts.
6,
A glass of water.
7,
Was his hair dark or fair?
8,
It's hard work, of course.
9,
Are you sure?
10,
I walk to work.
11,
Law and order.
12,
I saw the bird fall.
13,
He was born on Thursday the 31st.
14,
She taught German.
15,
I learned to surf in Brazil.
16,
Court and court sound the same in my accent.